What's up everyone, this is Sameer. I have got a good news for all the Samsung fans, so please watch it till the end. So you must be knowing that Samsung Unpacked event is just 1 month away and almost all the features have been leaked. One of the most awaited feature of the upcoming S20 series is its 2K 120Hz display. Samsung is known for its display quality. They are the best in the industry when it comes to displays. They are the supplier of displays for iPhones, Pixels, and even the 90Hz panel of OnePlus 7 series was supplied by Samsung. So it was expected that Samsung would bring monumental upgrades in its upcoming S20 series. Ice Universe, you must be knowing about this guy. He's a renowned Samsung leakster. Yesterday he delivers a huge blow to Samsung fans when he posted a bad news on Twitter. Although nothing was said directly, but it was very much clear from his tweet that Samsung may have dropped the idea of 2K 120Hz display from its upcoming S series. So would you be buying a Samsung S20 phone if it lacks 120Hz display when upcoming OnePlus 7 series and iPhone 12 series would pack 120Hz panel? Of course not. After Ice Universe posted this tweet, Samsung fans were really pissed off and were hoping that this news may turn out to be wrong. Seeing the disappointment and anger of tech community, Ice Universe deleted some of his tweets and posted a new tweet where he said that he is not sure of his news and we should wait for more clarification. And indeed the news turned out to be wrong. Earlier today, he brought a good news where he confirmed that 2K 120Hz panel will not be cancelled. It was a misunderstanding. He also said that there will be a perfect combination of best display and smoothest experience. So finally there is a sigh of relief for all the fans. For more future updates like this one, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.